As a crypto trader who uses the Gate.io crypto exchange, these are 6 common crypto mistakes you must avoid in order to make maximum profit. Number 1 crypto mistake: buying just because the price is low. Low prices do not always represent good entry. Often, the developers actually leave the project or dump the project and it stops getting proper updates, making the cryptocurrency insecure. Also, before you can get into project because of low prices, check out their community. How engaged is the community? Because a community that is not vibrant will probably not make more people to want to buy into that project. Also, check their use case. All right. So sometimes if the use case is nothing to write home about, nobody will want to invest in such project. So once the coin is low already, it will be very, very difficult for it to come back up. Right. So make sure you take all this into consideration before going into a particular project. Number 2 common crypto mistake: going all in. Better crypto investment tips will be to only use a certain proportion of your investment capital, say 5%, and always keep an emergency cash fund. Don't go all in. Supposing you have $1,000 worth of portfolio, at least you can use 5% of your funds to go into a particular project. Number 3 common crypto mistake is thinking crypto is easy money. There's nothing easy about making money through trading any kind of financial assets, whether stocks and shares or commodities like silver and gold. The same can be said for cryptocurrency. Anyone who says differently is probably trying to trick you into making crypto mistakes. Number 4 common crypto mistake: buying at an all-time high. One of the biggest mistakes you can make as an investor is to invest when it's high or at an all-time high. That's what happened to people earlier this year when they bought in as Bitcoin was running from 30k to 66k. When the price came back down and started moving sideways, those who had bought high then panic sold and are now deep underwater. The cryptocurrency market is very volatile and can drop significantly in a very short period. We've seen the market fall 50% within just a few days. So don't be caught unawares. Don't buy the top. Don't buy the pump. Number 5 common crypto mistake that you must avoid is not researching before you invest. Do you know that anyone, and we mean literally anyone, can create their own cryptocurrency? Some cryptocurrencies may not even be a real business or company. Before you invest in a cryptocurrency, make sure you do your own research about that company. Read their white paper. See if there is any actual news about them on CoinDesk or any other reputable source. One crypto mistake people make is investing in a cryptocurrency based on the hype, the trend, and because their best friend's brother's uncle told them to buy a coin. Don't do that. You are more than that. Number 6 common crypto mistake that people make is not taking profits. One of the top mistakes investors make is not taking profits. Yes, sometimes we get so excited seeing our investment grow that we think it's going to go to the moon and decide not to take any profits, and then the price crashes. Some days you look at your portfolio and it increases significantly. Take profit on such days, and other days you look at it and it decreases significantly. It happens. Nothing is wrong with taking profit along the way in either direction. Very, very important. Hope you got value from this video. If you have any question, drop it in the comment section below. If you want to show us love, go ahead to smash that subscribe button right away. Also like and share this video. Trade responsibly. Peace out.